Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, go to search bar and type your CMD. Now right click here and select run as administrator. Now select S, and here we will execute some commands. So type all these commands carefully and hit enter. Type ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit enter. Then type ipconfig space / renew, and we need to wait for seconds to complete the process. Once done, type here netsh winsock reset and hit enter. Then type netsh winsock reset space catalog and hit enter. Then type exit to close the command prompt window and simply go to device manager. You can right click on the start icon and click on device manager. Once we are here, we need to expand the network adapters. Then right click on the particular device, go to properties, then go to drivers tab and click on update driver. You can select first option. If this option not work, then just go back and select second option. This will work definitely. Then click on let me pick from the computer, then select the model and click on next. Once done, just close this window and go to settings, then click on network and internet. Scroll down, go to advanced network settings, go to network reset and click on reset now. Select S and window will restart in 5 minutes. So before that, we will restart it. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.